I've read it. What is something that women often feel insecure about, but you actually find appealing? 1. Laugh lines are more attractive than Botox face. 2. All I can say is that most women are far more attractive than they give themselves credit for. 3. My wife is at her most attractive to me when she is laughing or enjoying herself. When she laughs and genuinely smiles, my heart swells. That is the whole reason I act like a goofball all the damn time. I just want to see her smile and laugh as much as possible. 4. I have yet to see a single person who looked better after doing that buccal fat removal procedure. Chubby cheeks are amazing. 5. What I don't understand is when women hide or mask their real laugh. There's nothing more attractive than seeing a beautiful woman completely lose it with laughter. The way she holds her sides, the little snort, it's just too cute. It's sad that some people have made them feel unattractive for expressing themselves.